Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some Shabby Chic style cottage home decor ideas. Let's take a look. Shabby Chic style cottage home decor blends vintage charm with soft, romantic aesthetics, creating a cozy, inviting space that feels lived in and elegant. Here's a breakdown of how to achieve the look. Core elements of Shabby Chic cottage decor. Color palette: soft muted tones, white, cream, blush pink, shades green, light blue and pale gray. Pastels dominate, often with distressed finishes. Vintage or antique pieces with distressed paint. Think chalk paint or whitewashed. Curvy feminine lines, French provincial or English cottage styles. Fabrics and textiles, natural fabrics like cotton, linen and lace. Floral prints, toile, ruffles and faded patterns. Layered textiles, throw blankets, vintage quilts and sheer curtains. Accessories, antique mirrors, picture frames and crystal candelabras. Porcelain or ceramic knickknacks, bird cases and wire baskets. Wicker, galvanized metal and distressed wood for rustic accents. Wall decor, white or pastel painted wood paneling or paintboard. Vintage art, floral prints and salvaged window frames. Gallery walls with mismatched frames and sentimental pictures. Lighting, soft ambient lighting with table lamps, candelabras and sconces. Lampshades in lace, floral or ruffled fabrics. Quick tips to get the look. Shop second-hand. Flower markets, antique shops, estate shells. Mix high and low elements. Elegant candelabras with own furniture. Don't aim for perfection. Own, chipped and edged pieces are part of the charm. Embrace distressed finishes. Use sandpaper to lightly distress painted furniture. Look for vintage pieces with chipped paint or own edges. They add authentic charm. Use soft, muted colors. Stick to whites, creams and pastels. Layer shades for blush, mint, pale blue and lavender for a romantic feel. Mix vintage and new. Combine antique furniture with newer pieces that mimic vintage style. Incorporate flower market finds or cheap treasures like old mirrors or picture frames. Add floral fabrics. Choose floral patterns for curtains, cushions and bedding. Look for faded or washed out prints to maintain a lived-in look. natural materials, opt for wooden furniture, wicker baskets, and linen or cotton fabrics. Natural elements like dried flowers or driftwood add an organic touch. Incorporate plush and ruffles. Use plush tablecloths, ruffled bed skirts, and crochet drawers to enhance the softness. Layer textures for visual interest. Decorate with vintage accessories. Use old clocks, teacups, candelabras, and candle holders. Antique picture frames and repurposed items like a ladder as a towel rack work beautifully. Keep it cozy and inviting. Add drawers, soft lighting, and plenty of cushions. Create nooks and comfy spaces that invite relaxation. Repurpose everyday items. Turn vintage suitcases into bedside tables or stacked shelves. Use old doors or shutters as headboards or wall decor. Mason chairs can serve as vases, candle holders, or storage. Mix patterns carefully. Combine florals with stripes or checks in similar color tones. Don't be afraid to layer patterns as long as they are soft and faded. They will work together harmoniously. Incorporate romantic lighting. Use fairy lights or string lights in corners or along mirrors. Choose candelabras like crystals or antique brass finishes. Add wall sconces or lanterns with soft, warm bulbs for ambience. Go for open shelving. Use open shelves in kitchens or bathrooms to display vintage dishes, teacups, linens, or apothecary jars. Paint the shelves white or pastel and distress the edges. Keep it light and airy. Maximize natural light by using sheer curtains or leaving windows bare. Avoid heavy drapery or dark colors, which clash with the airy feel. Add natural indoors. Incorporate dried lavender bundles, eucalyptus garlands, or potted herbs. Use floral wreaths made of soft greenery and blooms on doors or above beds. Use rugs for warmth. Layer small area rugs in faded florals or muted tones over wood floors. Look for jute, cotton, or oriental style rugs with a washed out appearance. Layer with slipcovers. Use white or neutral slipcovers over sofas and armchairs. Choose ones with ruffles or a slightly oversized fit for that relaxed, cozy feel. Easy to wash and perfect for refreshing your look seasonally. Display collections group similar vintage items like teak on scent and mood. Use rose, lavender, or vanilla scented candles or oil diffusers. Fragrance add a romantic, comforting atmosphere that complements the look. Introduce painted furniture accents. Add a soft pastel peach as a focal point. A mint green hearts, blush nightstand, or powder blue pens. You can DIY with chalk paint and distress it for character. Highlight architectural details. Add bedboard or shiplap to walls or ceilings. Use crown molding, rosettes, or antique style hardware to enhance the cottage charm. Decorate with found objects. Use items like an old bird case, vintage bike, weathered window frames, or typewriters as quirky decor. Adds charm and sparks conversation. Keep surfaces light and uncluttered. Use trays and baskets to organize items neatly. Let each space breathe. Negative space is part of the beauty. Play with mirrors. Use ornate vintage style mirrors to reflect light and make spaces feel larger. A distressed gold or white frame works beautifully. Create cozy corners. Add a reading nook with a comfy chair, a drawer, and a vintage lamp. Even small spaces can feel special with thoughtful styling. Use whimsical touches. Hang a delicate candelier in unexpected places like a bathroom or hallway. Add a small vintage bird figurine, clock, or floral wallpaper accent for a touch of whimsy. Incorporate whitewashed wood. Use whitewashed wood on floors, ceilings, or furniture for a weathered, beachy cottage vibe. Add vintage-inspired wallpaper. Use soft floral or damask wallpaper as an accent wall in the bedroom, powder room, or behind open shelving. Peel and stick versions are renter-friendly and easy to update. Use antique-style hardware. Swap out modern cabinet knobs and drawer pulls for crystal, porcelain, or edged brass wands. These small details make a big difference in authenticity. Incorporate canopies and bed drapes. Use sheer, cozy fabrics over beds for a dreamy, romantic cottage effect. Works especially well in a bedroom or even over a daybed in a reading nook. Frame pressed flowers or botanical prints. DIY can own framed pressed flowers or use antique style botanical illustrations. They add a natural, vintage charm to your walls. Incorporate soft plates and gingham. Add these patterns subtly on pillows, tablecloths, or kitchen linens. They are especially effective in a cottage kitchen or sunroom. Create a cozy entryway, a weathered bench, coat hooks made from antique knobs, and a basket of fresh or dried flowers can set the tone as soon as you enter. Their window treatments combine sheer curtains with soft floral or linen drapes. Tie them back with ribbon or lace for added romance and light control. Thank you for watching this video.